getting reaction to a new restrictive immigration bill signed by Governor DeSantis this week, specifically from farm workers who say this could negatively affect their businesses. Local 10's Hassel Vela is live to explain. Hassel.
Louis, so much uncertainty for so many people here in our community that many are planning, hoping possibly to leave the state, and they tell us it could have an effect at your grocery store.
¿Qué le están diciendo los trabajadores?
Que tienen mucho miedo.
In talking to Claudia Gonzalez, fear is the biggest takeaway here. Gonzalez is an organizer for Florida's Farm Worker Association here in Homestead.
The community is worried. They want to leave from another states. Some of them want to leave back to the countries.
Real-time confusion unfolding, she says, hours after the governor signed the state's immigration law. Fear to go to work, fear now to seek medical help when sick.
Afraid to go to hospitals.
Homestead is historically a migrant community because of its agriculture. She estimates more than 20,000 migrant farm workers in the area. These are families in complicated immigration situations, meaning a wife may have documents but the husband doesn't. So now they all have to move because they don't want to be separated.
The farmers, the agriculture sectors and the service sector.
When it comes to Florida's economy, she reminds us it is heavily based on tourism.
The person working in the hotel, most of them don't have a status.
And there's also agriculture.
Es un oasis para las frutas tropicales.
She describes Homestead as an oasis of tropical fruits that cannot be grown anywhere else in Florida. Without workers, she says, fruit will likely have to be imported, raising the cost and prices for you at the supermarket. Those who work with migrant workers tell us they're deeply concerned about the upcoming growing season because many of the migrant workers that work around the country are saying they simply do not want to come back to Florida. For now, reporting live from Kendall, I'm Hatsabala, Local 10 News.